New student leaders take oath at RDG Public School's investiture ceremony. Spirit of Ashadi Purnima shines at RDG Public School with cultural programs. RDG Public School celebrates Tree Plantation Day with enthusiasm. RDG Public School, Akola, honors teachers on Guru Purnima with gratitude and cultural fervor. In Akola, Maharashtra, RDG Public School celebrated its investiture ceremony with great enthusiasm and pride in the school premises. The event marked with the official induction of the newly appointed Student Council members for the academic year 2026-27. The ceremony began with a warm welcome of our chief guest, Mr. Dilip Raji Goenka. The newly appointed head boy, Mr. Abhiraj Pagrat, and head girl, Ms. Ananya Deshmukh, along with other student council members and ministers, were conferred with badges and sashes and took a solemn oath to perform their duties with discipline, responsibility, and dignity. Addressing the gathering, the principal sir motivated students to be role models for their peers and to uphold the school values with dignity. The chief guest, Mr. Dilip Raji Goenka sir, motivated the students to lead with confidence, discipline, and responsibility, and to serve the school positively to the school community. The program concluded with a vote of thanks proposed by Mrs. Smita Malpani ma'am, followed by patriotic songs and celebrations. In Akola, Maharashtra, RDG Public School celebrated Ashadhi Ekadashi with great devotion. The event featured bhajans, dindi, and cultural performances highlighting the teachings of Sant Tukaram and Sant Jnaneshwar. Students in traditional attire created a spiritual atmosphere with chants of Sri Hari Vitthal. The principal sir spoke about the values of devotion and discipline taught by Ashadi Ekadashi. Teachers explained the significance of Wari and Maharashtra's tradition. The program ended with prasad distribution and a vote of thanks. The celebration helped students connect with Indian culture and tradition. In Akola, Maharashtra, RDG Public School organized a tree plantation drive in its campus. The event saw enthusiastic participation from students of pre-primary to senior classes. As a part of the drive, various species of saplings including neem, mango, and flowering plants were planted across the school premises, in which students also made handmade posters. The program concluded with a group photo and a promise from every student to water and care for their plant throughout the year. The management thanked all the teachers, students, and parents for making the event a grand success and reaffirmed that such eco-friendly activities will be conducted regularly at school, RDG Public School. In Akola, Maharashtra, RDG Public School celebrated Guru Purnima with great enthusiasm and reverence. The program was organized to honor the contribution of teachers to instill the values of Guru Shishya tradition among the students. The event marked with the ceremonial lighting of a lamp followed by a devotional prayer. The students from pre-primary to senior classes presented a series of cultural performances including speeches, poems, bhajans and skits to highlight the role of a teacher in shaping a student's life. School chairman guided the students and spoke about the significance of respecting teachers and parents. He emphasized that true education does not only comes from books but also from values, respect and gratitude towards teachers.